It's Sheet Fools. We're creating fun automations inside of spreadsheets that are going to boggle people's minds, maybe have a slow burn or random chaos. This one, if somebody deletes a row, we just wanted to say, hey, what did you do to my row? Go over to Extensions, App Script. Here you can see all the other automations we've done. If you want this exact spreadsheet, go over to bettersheets.co/sheetfools and get it right now. Get it into your Google Drive. It's absolutely free. But let's create a new function. Function, where did my row go? No question mark there. So where did my row go is going to be an automation that we enter into a trigger. And so it's going to have some data. We're going to have two parts of this. We're going to write the function, and then we're going to create the trigger. The trigger is just a couple clicks. You got to see this. But right now we have this E. This event has some interesting information when we change the sheet. Changing a sheet is different than editing a sheet. Editing means just editing a cell, some text. But changing a sheet means removing a row, a column, adding a sheet, deleting a sheet. So we need to know which one we're doing. So variable type equals e.changeType. Now this gives us the information of did we remove a row? And specifically deleting a row is called remove row. So if type is equal to remove row, that's the very specific text that can be that change type. And if that is, we want to say spreadsheet app.getActive.toast. Hey, what did you do with my row? And maybe point, give a little finger. Command S and save this. But we're not done. Where did my row go is not going to actually trigger until we create a trigger. Over on the left side, create a trigger. Couple clicks away. On the bottom right, add trigger. Choose which function to run. We have a bunch of functions here. Make sure you go over to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Get them all. It's absolutely free. Just get the sheet, put it in your Google Drive, and you get all of these automations for free. Where did my row go? And now, event source is from Spreadsheet, but the event type is on change. Not on edit, not on open, not on form submit, on change. This is changing the structure. Click save. Let's go back to our automations. Let's go to decimals. Let's delete this row here. Delete row. Hey, what did you do with my row? Now this sheet is speaking to us. If we want to increase the length that that's showing for, we have a timeout feature here. We can go back here and say, hey, and just ask, what did you do with my row? And add maybe 10 seconds instead of just the 5 seconds. So again, let's go and delete this row. Delete row. Hey, what did you do with my row? Enjoy this automation. It's really fun. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe today here to Better Sheets on YouTube.